Welcome to Pydle Day 80. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. There's always a graphic on the right, a cute little picture that you need to recreate by writing your Python code. Today's Pydle is a bow and arrow, so have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you want to see what yesterday's solution was, then stay around. I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a spade. Okay, so let's start with our x and y. Y, we're just going to do for y in range 5. But the x, it's actually symmetrical around the y-axis, so we're going to use Cartesian coordinates. So for x in range -2, 3. Now the top limit for range is exclusive, so it's going to go -2 to +2. Okay, so what's the condition for the brown pixels? So let's just do the top bit. So if y equals 0 and absolute value of x less than 2. Okay, you can see absolute value of x goes from 1 and 1, so that condition is true and y must be 0. Okay, so let's start with that. X plus 2, we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates. The y is already in Pydle coordinates, so we can just leave it as is. And brown. Okay, so that should be the horizontal bit. Now for the vertical bit, we can say if else, no, sorry, or y less than 3 and x equals 0. Okay, so y less than 3. And it doesn't matter that that pixel kind of overlaps because it will test for the first condition. Okay, so that's the browns done. We don't have to actually focus on the blacks because black is the default background color, so we only need to do the whites. So what is our condition going to be for white? Okay, we can immediately see that we've done the brown pixels there for y less than 3. So the rest of the remaining pixels, y less than 3, must be white. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, so that all we need to do is just do the remaining pixels, the white pixels there. Okay, so what condition can we do there? So we can say or, and we're basically going to use just a linear equation for that line. Well, it's actually that one because we're going to do absolute value of x. We're going to say absolute value of x less than, and that is the basically the equation of that line. It's actually greater than, sorry. Yeah, that makes more sense. So if we've got that line, so if x, absolute value of x is greater than that calculated y, then we need to color the pixels white. Okay, and there you go. That is the Pydle solved for yesterday. Oops, I'm a bit clicking wrong things here. Okay, so have a go at today's Pydle, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the solution.